doing the things that animals do. Me and you, it's a fun come along and see what's new.
On this episode of The Nature Nut, I'm headed to the Shesucket Forest in search of the rare creature known as the Bug-Eyed Boogala. Now to catch this Bug-Eyed Boogala, I'm gonna have to use its signature mating call, because though it can make imitate many distinct sounds, it has one mating call. So let's try it. Right there. There, you see it? Alright, I'm getting it. Okay. This is gonna get a little less PSA friendly. Not as safe for the sponsor. Oh. Hold on, wait, I'm getting a call. Okay. Yeah, hello? What? Well, look who it is. You.
Oh, hey man, you ran out of toilet paper?
Yeah, quit your chatting. It's time for your species to, go, almost extinct. What do you gotta say about that?
Whoa, chill man, chill. Hey, hands up, don't shoot man, okay? Look, I'm sorry about earlier today. I didn't mean to bite you in the neck. It's just, when I saw you, at first I heard the sexy voice, the, oh, ay, papi. But then, I saw you and you were like, a man? And I thought you were trying to rape me? But, it was a misunderstanding, man. I'm sorry. Look, to make it up to you, I can take you out somewhere nice to eat. Where do you want to go?
Wait, really? You can take me to a restaurant? Well, there is one place I really want to go to. I don't know if it's in your price range, but, I mean, it's pretty good, so,
We went to go eat a Black Angus. It was a lot of fun. We had a lot of food. It was a steal for a great big meal. We went to go eat a Black Angus without the G.